my channel. So friends, in this video we shall discuss about how to keep background color to a HTML web page and how to use break tag and HR tag in a HTML document. So friends, let us quickly start it. Let us go to SolarLearn app. So friends, now let us go to SolarLearn app. And now app is opened. So I am clicking on new code. Click on web. And in SolarLearn, automatically you will get the basic structure of HTML. So as I said that in this video we shall learn about how to keep background color to a web page and how to use break tag and HR tag in a HTML document. So here page title I am just keeping it as creative web page. Creative web page. Okay. And in before video I have said that in title what you are writing will not appear in output. Yes. So friends, maybe if you are missed the before videos, don't worry my dear friends. In description box I'll keep the links of those videos and you watch those videos and come to this video. Then you will have the continuation of this HTML course. So now I'm going to explain you about first how to keep background color to a HTML web page. So here this is a body tag. In this body tag you have to use one attribute. After body you have to give some space and you have to write BG color. And in the double quotes if you write any color name, that color will be applied in output. So usually how you will write the color spelling COLOUR, but in SolarLearn you have to write COLOR. Then only the color will be applied to the output. Otherwise the browser will not accept it. So let us try with U and let us remove the U. Both ways we shall try and let us see that how it will be succeeded. So I want to get the background color. First of all, let us see output. It is white. It is a default background color. So I want to make it as red. So here you have to write in double quotes red. Then see friends, here you did not get output. Why? Because here you kept U. If we remove U, what will happen? Here in output you got red color. As so you can change not only red color, any color you can keep, such as blue and sky blue. Any color you can keep my dear friends. And pink. You can also keep pink, orange, any color. So now I want to keep orange background. Then I'll get the background color as orange. Yes. So friends, in before videos I have clearly explained you about 6 levels of heading tags. Yes. So let us use those heading tags and let us create this web page creatively by using break tag and as well as HR tag. So what is the biggest heading tag? Did you remember? It is the H1 tag. Yes. And its value of H1 tag is 32 points. Yes. Here what I want to write is I want to write it as nature. Okay. Or otherwise I'll keep waterfalls. I'll take this topic. Waterfalls. See in output you will get waterfalls as the biggest heading. And in that I want to write a paragraph. At the time what you need to use? You need to use P tag. Yes, did you remember? In that I want to keep justify. Why I should keep justify? Why? Because if we use this alignment, you will get the lines will be equaled at the edges. I am keeping justify. So I want to write any paragraph regarding waterfalls. So now I am going to Google. then I'll get a paragraph. So I'll take this paragraph here. Up to here I want. Yes, I'll copy this paragraph and I'll paste this in the between angular brackets. Okay, so let us see in output. See friends, here you got one paragraph. Okay, so now I will use break tag here. Here after this fall I want to use break tag. BR tag. Break means this tag breaks the line and displays the text to form a next line. Let us see. Yes, here by using this break tag, what did you observe? Here the line was breaked. Once again, if we remove that break tag, what it will happen? It all will be like a paragraph. But while using break tag here, the line will be cut. Yes, this tag helps the line to break and display it as to form the next line. Yes, here you got next line, and also it will give spaces. How many break tags if you use, those many spaces you will get. Gap you will get. So here I want to use only one break tag I want to use, no? So here I will remove this another break tag. Okay, then let us see, you will get only one. Only you will get only next line you will get. Yes, so this is what about break tag, and this break tag is an empty element. Friends, in before introduction video I have explained about what are container elements and empty elements. Did you remember? Container element means it is having both on and off tags. For example, here is a head tag. It is having on tag means opening tag, and it is having off tag means closing tag. Means this head is an container tag. But whereas for this break, it is only having the on tag. Means it is only having the opening tag. It is not having the closing tag. Means what? This is an empty element. Okay, maybe if you have missed that video, you watch once the video which I'll place that in description box. Okay, about background color completed and break tag also completed. What is the next one, my dear friends? It is HR tag. I said now I'll explain you about HR tag also. HR. It means what does HR means? It is a horizontal rule. Okay, HR means what? Horizontal rule. Its short form is horizontal rule. And if you use HR tag, here you will get a line. Means it is used to separate between blocks of text. And this HR element draws a horizontal line across the page. Here did you observe? There is an horizontal line. It is cutting the web page into half. Means it is dividing the web page. Yes, my dear friends. So here you can increase the size of this HR. It is very minute size. Yes, my dear friends. So here if you use one attribute in HR, that is a size attribute, I want to keep 4 pixel. Px means pixels, my dear friends. Means normally while you are writing in mathematical, what you will write? 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters, 1 kilometers and 1 meter. Like that you will write the units. So in this HTML, this px means pixels, its value. Okay, then see, it will be increased. See, did you observe, my dear friends? So let us increase some more. 6 I will keeping. Then you will get somewhat bigger. And you can keep color also for that by using color attribute. You have to write COLOR. You shouldn't write COLOUR. Remember that one thing, my dear friends. And I want to keep it as black. Then see, you will get black line which is separating the page into half across the line, across the horizontal line. This is known as horizontal rule. Okay, and you can also increase its size 8 pixels like that. Then one more paragraph I'll write, my dear friends, and this HR is also an empty tag. Remember, while you are attempting any HTML exams, they'll ask you, give some examples of empty elements. Means you can write break tag, this HR tag. These are two examples of empty elements. Friends, in later videos, we can also learn about more and more examples of these empty elements and container elements. So for that reason, what you need to do, you need to subscribe my channel for getting more videos. So I'll take one more paragraph from then before I have took this paragraph, so now I'll take this paragraph and I'll just copy this paragraph in the solo learn. Then p tag, align. I'll keep center attribute now. Okay, so in that center attribute I'll center alignment I'm keeping. Friends, what did you observe here? Before I have used the justify alignment, now I have used the center alignment. Means you will get the paragraph in this manner. Yes, so this is what about the how to keep background color to a HTML web page, and how to use a break tag here, and how to use HR tag in an HTML document. This is very simple, my dear friends, if you can understand it. Yes, so friends, what you need to do means subscribe my channel and share these videos to your friends. Then they can also learn these web pages and these web programming languages easily. Why? Because the world is running too faster and it is developing more technological. Yes, means we need to be advanced and we need to get development. Means what? You have to learn all these web programming languages, coding such as not only HTML, C, C++, Java, Python, so on. So there is no break to it. You can go in a smooth way. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, my dear friends. In this video, this is enough, my dear friends. In the next video, you shall learn the more and more topics regarding HTML. Thank you for watching this video, my dear friends. Bye.